Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a student who always feels overwhelmed, unmotivated, or just stuck in a cycle of procrastination, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share with you the perfect daily routine that can completely transform your productivity, reduce stress, and help you actually enjoy studying. This isn't about being strict or robotic. It's about building habits that make life easier, not harder. First things first, your mornings set the tone for the whole day. Wake up at a consistent time. Not super early like 5 a.m. if that's unrealistic for you, but early enough to give yourself space before classes or studying. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water and do a quick stretch to wake up your body. Trust me, this tiny habit boosts your focus way more than scrolling on your phone. Then eat a simple, balanced breakfast. Something that gives you energy but doesn't make you sluggish. Think eggs, oatmeal, fruit, or yogurt. Focused work blocks. Now let's talk about studying. Instead of cramming for hours and burning out, use focused study blocks. The Pomodoro method works great. 50 minutes of deep focus, then a 10-minute break. During those breaks, don't just scroll, get up, walk, or do something light to refresh your mind. If you can, tackle your hardest subject first when your brain is freshest. Getting it done early gives you momentum for the rest of the day. Midday. Balance around midday. Balance is key. Eat a light, healthy lunch that fuels you without making you sleepy. Avoid heavy junk food that kills your energy. After lunch, get a little movement in, even just a 15-minute walk. It clears your head and prevents that afternoon slump. Then go back into another study block or attend your classes. Remember, the goal isn't to study all day nonstop, but to study smart with consistency. Evening reset. In the evening, wrap up your studies with one final block. Review what you learned that day or prepare for tomorrow. Then give yourself permission to relax. Watch a show, hang out with friends, or enjoy your hobbies. Before bed, do a quick plan for tomorrow. Write down your top 3 tasks so you wake up with clarity instead of stress. So, the perfect routine isn't about doing everything flawlessly. It's about consistency, balance, and making small changes that compound over time. Wake up with purpose, study in focused blocks, fuel your body with good food, move a little, and end your day with a reset. If you stick to this, you'll feel less stressed, more in control, and way more productive as a student. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs some study motivation.